Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We got a brand new 2020, so 274 Bunkhouse, Coachmen Chaparral, stock number T41383. So a little bunkhouse model, a little outdoor kitchen on it, on the side, outdoor awning. We got the LED strip underneath. It's got the new solid step. It folds up in the door. A lot of people are liking the new step. The Asdel siding, that's one of their known for, so that actually has like a plastic material built on the wall, so it doesn't have any problem with any leaking. Walk into the door, right onto the left is your kitchen area. Nice big TV corner. You got like a 3/4 kitchen, and you got the glass oven door, the glass 3-burner microwave stainless steel package. This has the double sink, double refrigerator, nice U-shaped dinette, for a booth. And the hide-a-bed, storage, LED lights. In the back here, you've got your bunks. So you got 1, 2, 3 bunks, a little storage here for cabinets, TV spot on the wall. So nicer separate room for the kids. Then you go up towards the front. Then you got your walk up the stairs. You got the big shower with the seat in it. Tall guys can fit in there pretty easy. So this has the queen size bed up in the front. This actually has 2 air conditioners, one in the bedroom. So a little spot for a TV on the wall here. A little closet on the side. So lightweight, small bunkhouse, real popular. So if you guys are looking for a nice fifth wheel that's half-ton towable kind, this is one of the ones I like to sell. And I do a lot of these to people at the coast because of the Asdel siding. It's really a good product. So has auto leveling jacks on it, nice aluminum wheels, good looking unit. So if you come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.